let's start with the meeting notes. There are handouts on the chairs. They were in the center aisles. The meeting notes are an example of, while this may not be planning a meeting, this is how to be effective at a meeting if you have to attend it, or if you have any coworkers or subordinates, employees who struggle with, now what happened at that meeting and what was I supposed to do? You have, as an example in front of you, a way to take notes and design them in a way so that you can actually go back to them more quickly. When I work with clients, I notice that for those of them who are paper inclined, they can never find their meeting notes, first of all, and when they do, they have to rustle through them and they have to actually read the whole page in order to figure out who's supposed to do what. So the purpose of the template in front of you is to show a simplistic way of how you can set up meeting notes, and that is you always put the title of the meeting, the date, and the location in the top right-hand corner, because when most people file, if they put something in a notebook, they put the left-hand side in the notebook, it's a lot easier to see the right-hand side. Or if they're putting it in a file folder, it's a lot easier to see that right-hand side at the top. That way, without moving the paper too much, you can right away see what the meeting was for and when it was, and what's critical are the action steps that you personally need to take, so that's why the action steps are what you would write on that far right-hand side. Any notes that you're jotting down during the meeting can be on the left. You'll also notice that in the top left-hand corner, it says attendees. You don't have to write down everybody's name today. That's just an example if you are in a smaller meeting and you would like to notate who was there or who was not, then you can jot that in the top left-hand corner. It's not as critical as the actions and the time and place it was happening. That's why it's on the left-hand side. So that's a quick example of how to set up some effective meeting notes.